In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use the Kikoff app credit. So first, you will need to sign up. You want to download the Kikoff app and create your account, and also you will need to verify your identity. Once you have done this, you will get your Kikoff credit account. Kikoff gives you a small credit line like $750, and you can use it in Kikoff's online store. You will then make a small purchase. You want to buy something inexpensive like an ebook or course. You want to keep it cheap, like $10 or less. Pay monthly. Kikoff splits the cost into monthly payments around $5 per month. You want to make sure that you always pay on time so it reports positively. Build your credit. Kikoff reports your payments to Equifax and Experian. Payment history plus low utilization equals stronger credit score. And here are some pro tips. You want to keep the account open for longer credit history. Use it only as a credit builder, not shopping money, and combine with other tools such as secured card, credit builder loan for faster results. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.